This is the Tula half buckle. It's called that because it has a buckle waistband and long tie straps either side. For the base, it is adjustable. You've got your 3 settings like the Tula Free to Grow. I'm popping it on the smallest setting for my model. I'm going to pop the waistband on, adjust and tighten. Making sure the waistband is flat, high and horizontal on your body. For the main panel, you've got your adjusters like the Free to Grow. I'm going to pull them down to make the panel smaller for my baby, making sure to have them even on both sides. You can see it just folds nice and flat. You've got padding on the top part of the shoulder straps, it's nice and soft, and then your long tie parts, then they fan out. Popping baby in, just going to get them in that nice position and spread the panel right up to the back of their neck. If you need to take the time to settle baby first, that's absolutely fine. When you're ready, you're going to take one pass over your shoulder, making sure it's flat. Reach behind with the opposite hand, pull it down, across and tuck it in your legs. Do the same with the other pass, pull it down and across. You're going to take one in each hand, pull across to tighten before coming to the front. Depending on the size of baby, poke that wee hand up. Depending on the size of baby, you can have the passes over the legs or under the legs. So over the legs, you would go over, just fixing that wee position. Over the legs, cross under the bum, under the legs and tie at the back. Because baby is smaller, I'm bringing the passes under the legs, crossing and double knotting at the back. Because this is a carrier with a waistband, you can bring the tie parts under the legs instead of over. When baby is older, then it's nice to spread those passes right across the bum for some extra support. So you've got a lovely position and lovely support. Take the time to use your fingers and spread those passes out. They're not very wide on this carrier, but you can still spread them out a wee bit on your back.